Good morning. This is the second part of the workshop on a framework for video games and discusses the prefabs. The editor of Unity makes easier to drag a prefab to a slot of a script, allowing the code to access the prefab. But what happens when we have a game with many scenes where the same prefab appears again and again? Working always with the editor will force us to perform the same action of dragging all prefabs to all scripts in every scene. We'll have a repetitive task, and the change of error will increase exponentially with each prefab and each scene. The solution I propose is very simple and very powerful at the same time. The assistant prefab script is a repository of prefabs. Just place it in your opening scene. Add all prefabs you use in every scene, and these prefabs will be available after loading any scene. To load a prefab, you just have to ask for it by its name. If you modify a prefab, all modifications will be available to all scenes without having to go scene by scene updating changes. Let's review the code you can find in the repository page. This is the prefab assistant class, and this is the prefab repository. This method prevents the object to be deleted when a scene is loaded, and this method returns a prefab found by its name or null if the object doesn't exist. It forces strings to upper to avoid errors. If a scene wants to create a game object, it gets it from the prefab assistant, and all is that. We don't need to reload each change prefab in each scene, never again. If we see the project, we can see it has 4 scenes. That's just one, the hockey splash screen, the first scene, has a prefab assistant. And this prefab assistant holds all the prefabs in the game. And that's all. This completes this presentation. You can download the code from the repository. In the next section, we will see the localization of video games. Don't forget to visit my website www.el-profe-vigo.es, where you'll find many more resources on other issues. And don't forget that in my website lives of ad clicks. Thank you for your time.